Birds are some of the most vibrant creatures on Earth, painting the skies and trees with their stunning colors. Today, we're counting down the top 10 most colorful birds in the world. Get ready to be amazed by the bright feathers and unique patterns of these extraordinary animals. Number 1. Scarlet Macaw. Starting with the Scarlet Macaw, a true showstopper from the rainforests of Central and South America. Its bright red, yellow, and blue feathers make it a rainbow on wings. Number 2. Peacock. Next up is the peacock, a symbol of beauty and elegance. With its iridescent blue-green body and stunning tail feathers, it can fan out to create a colorful display like no other. Number 3. Gouldian finch. Found in Australia, the Gouldian finch comes in a variety of striking colors. Known as the rainbow finch, it has patches of red, green, blue, and yellow feathers. Number 4. Victoria crowned pigeon. The Victoria crowned pigeon, native to New Guinea, is known for its striking blue feathers and beautiful crown of delicate, lace-like feathers on its head. This pigeon stands out with its royal appearance and vibrant colors. Number 5. Keel-billed toucan. With its multicolored beak, the keel-billed toucan is like a living cartoon character. Native to Central America, its beak is almost as colorful as its feathers. Number 6. Mandarin duck. Known as one of the most beautiful ducks, the Mandarin duck has a blend of orange, green, purple, and white feathers. It's native to East Asia and is a truly unique bird. Number 7. Lilac-breasted roller. Native to Africa, the lilac-breasted roller displays a mix of lilac, blue, green, and brown feathers, making it one of the most colorful birds in the world. Number 8. Red-legged honeycreeper. Found in Central and South America, the red-legged honeycreeper has electric blue feathers with striking red legs. It's small but packs a visual punch. Number 9. Rainbow Lorikeet. The Rainbow Lorikeet is truly nature's palette in motion, with a blend of blue, green, yellow, and red feathers. Found in Australia, these birds are social and love to show off. Number 10. Quetzal. Finally, the quetzal, known as the jewel bird of Central America, with its bright green and red feathers. It's a rare sight in the wild and a true symbol of beauty. So, that's our list of the top 10 most colorful birds in the world. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And if you'd like to see more amazing animals, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video.